All right, today's lesson is lesson 8, using proportions. So all 3 types of percent problems can also be solved by using a proportion. The 3 major elements of a percent sentence are the rate, the base, and the percentage. Enter 2 of these elements in the proportion and solve for the third. So, the examples they give here, they have 80% of 55 is what? So they do 80 over 100, and then it equals n, because we don't know what n is, over 55. So we're trying to figure out what the percentage for this one is, because we don't know that. So what they do is they do 100 n, so they go across like that. Then they go 80 times 55. So if you did 80 times 55, you get 4,400. So that 100 n stays there. So then you're going to divide both sides by 100, and you get n equals 44. Same thing for this one. We go 6 times 100. 6 times 100, 630. And we don't know that. Divide both sides by 30. We get 20 equals n. And then over here, 16 over 100 equals 4 over n. So in this one, the piece that was missing was the rate. So this was missing the percentage. This was missing the rate. And this one, it looks like it's missing the base. So they go 16 times n, you get 16n. 100 times 4, 400. Divide both sides by 16, we get 25. So each one was missing a different piece on that one. So these are the steps. You can write the correct proportion by following these steps. So you write 100 over equals blank blank. So we're going to try some of these problems at the bottom here. I'm going to clear. All right, so number 1. It says blank percent of 30 is 6. So in this one, we are missing the rate, looks like. So we go n over 100 equals, this was the same as the example problem they gave us before, 6 over 30. So you get 30n, 600, divide both sides by 30, you should get 20, n equals 20. Canvas number 2. 32% of 450 is, we don't know. So the part we're missing here. So that looks like it's going to be missing the percentage. 32 over 100, because we always know this is always out of 100, equals n over 450. So 100, don't know, n. Then you're going to do 32 times 450. You get 14. Big comma there. Double check. 32, 450, 100. Then divide both sides by 100. You should get n equals 144. All right, the next one, number 3. Blank is 40% of 9. So this one is going to be looks like it's missing the base here. So 40 over 100 equals over n. So you get 40n. Of course, 100 times 9 is 900. Divide both sides by 40. 900 divided by 40 is, I got 22.5. 900 divided by 40. Yeah, it's 22.5. All right, number 4 is 28% of blank is 14. Okay. I'm going to post along with this a picture of the steps and everything and the examples, because I know I keep looking back to figure out which one I'm supposed to use, so that'll help you figure out how to set these up. So, using the picture that I'm going to post along with this video on Google Classroom, look and see which one you would use to set this one up, and then answer the question about setting it up. Okay. So we are going to use, it looks like the third option, the one with the base is missing. So we get 28 over 100 equals 14 over n. So you get 28 and then 100 times 14 is 1400, right? Then divide both sides by 28. And what's your answer going to be? Should get 50. All right. Next one. 516 is 8% of blank. So using your picture, figure out which one we should use for this one. Maybe 8 over 100 equals, think about that one. And this one was 16 over n. So you get 1600 equals 8n. Divide both sides by 8. And what do you get for your answer? Should get n equals 200. All right, 6. 12 is 80% of blank. That's going to be the same as number 5. So we're going to use the third option here. So we're going to set it up as 80 over 100 equals 12 over n. Divide both sides by 1200. And what do you get here? N equals 1200. Into your calculator first, divided by 80. We get 15. Number 7. 6% of 15 is blank. So for this one, we're going to use the first one. So you're going to get 6 over 100 equals n over 15. So you get 100 n, and then 6 times 15. We get 90. So you're getting 0.9. All right, one more. So the sixth one is blank percent of 9 is 2. So we don't know, the percentage is missing. So it's going to be n over 100 equals 2 over 9. So we get 9, 9n. 100 times 2 is 200. Divide both sides by 200.
Divide both sides by 9, not 200.
And their answer should be 22.2, repeating. All right, that is it for